class of 7th. In our previous video, we had completed the chapter number 1, that is Equality in Indian Democracy. ये हमारा term 1 का chapter था, second chapter था जो कि हमने complete किया है. Okay? I hope everybody have understood it well, and in today's video, we will be discussing the exercises and question answers of the chapter. So let's start. First of all, you have to put date, ठीक? Then you have to write chapter number and chapter name, ठीक है? उसके बाद आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे? You will write about the chapter. So the chapter is about the equality in Indian democracy. इस chapter में हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Equality in Indian democracy. It explains about the inequality, recognizing dignity and various welfare schemes of the government. और साथ ही साथ इस chapter में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि कितने टाइप की inequalities हैं, कैसे हम अपनी dignity को recognize कर सकते हैं और बहुत सारे welfare schemes जो government के द्वारा चलाए जा रहे हैं, ठीक? Then first of all you will write the about the chapter. After that you have to write key terms that is given on page number 213. You have to write all the key terms which are given on page number 213. Then let's start with our multiple choice question that is given on page number 218. The first question is, which of the following are the inequalities present in our society even today? The answer is caste inequality. Okay. Then question number 2, what did the government do to include people with disabilities in the mainstream? तो जो disabled हैं, जो physically handicapped हैं या visually challenged हैं, उनके लिए हमारे government ने क्या किया है? The answer is both A and B. Option A is government ensured equal treatment and free education to the disabled, and option B is the government passed an act in 1955. तो answer हमारा होगा both A and B. Then come to question B, that is fill in the blanks. First one is dash is the most popular form of government in the world. The answer is democracy. Second, dash is the most important element of a democratic setup. Answer is equality. Then third is universal adult franchise is based on the principle of one person, one vote. Then question number 4, the constitution also forbids dash and its practice in any form. Answer is untouchability यानी कि छुआ-छूत. And then question number 5, dash aims to generate employment opportunities in villages, and answer is Manrega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay. Now come to question number 1, that is answer the following on page number 218, same. That is multiple choice questions. The first one is, which of the following are linked to gender discrimination? The right answer is infanticide of female child. Infanticide means killing of a female child. Okay. Then question number 2, what does discrimination on the basis of religion show? अगर हम discrimination भेदभाव करते religion पे तो वो कौन से option में show होगा? First है act against the basis of democracy, B sheer violation of the dignity of people belonging to a particular region, and C none of this. So the right answer will be option B. Okay. Then question number 3, what can actually bring about a change in order to remove inequality in the society? So आपके options है changing the attitude of people, fights and fireworks, none of these. So answer is changing the attitude of people. Okay. Now question number B, that is on page number 219. Read the situations given below. Identify whether they show political, social, religious or economic inequality. तो अब हमें situation पढ़ के बताना है कि ये कौन सी inequality है. First one, auto rickshaw driver accused for causing nuisance when the man whose car he accidentally brushes get into a fight with him. ठीक, तो हमारा आंसर होगा social. Then second, Sushila decided to take loan from her mill owner for treating her sick child. The answer is economic, related to finance. Then third is an Indian citizen changes name to get accommodation because he is not of particular region. तो आंसर है religious. Then fourth, an independent candidate unable to project himself due to lack of funds versus a party candidate who wins due to money. The answer is political. Okay. Then question number C, short answer questions. First one, list the forms of inequality present in our society. So the answer is caste inequality and gender based inequality. Okay. Then question number 2, what is the difference between discrimination based on gender and religion? So discrimination मतलब क्या? भेदभाव. So what is the difference between discrimination between gender discrimination and religion discrimination? So the answer is the gender based discrimination is that women are paid less for the same amount and type of work done by men. Gender based में men और women में discrimination भेदभाव होता है, and religion based discrimination is based on religion and it involves treating a person unfavorably because of his or her religious beliefs. Okay. Then question number 3, which provisions made in the constitution shield people from maltreatment and discrimination? तो हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने कौन से प्रोविजंस बनाए हैं जिससे सारे लोगों को इक्वली ट्रीटमेंट मिले? फर्स्ट वन इज नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट, क्लास, रिलीजन, जेंडर, रेस एटसेट्रा. देन इक्वल एक्सेस टू पब्लिक प्लेसेस, सारे लोगों को समान अधिकार है पब्लिक प्लेसेस का यूज करने का, चाहे वो होटल हो चाहे पार्क हो. देन abolition of untouchability, छुआछूत खत्म करना. Then equality of opportunity, everybody have equal opportunity to work and get employment. And last one, all people are equal in the eyes of law, सारे लोग क्या हैं? कानून के सामने सब समान हैं. Okay. Question number 4 is name 2 programs or acts implemented by the government in villages. The answer is NRHM and मनरेगा. NRHM मतलब नेशनल रूरल हेल्थ मिशन and मनरेगा महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट. Okay. Then after that long question answers you will get notes in the form of PDF in the group. Okay. Then higher order thinking skill questions, that also you will get notes in the form of PDF in the group. Then at last you have to write the summary. So you have to write summary that is given on points to remember, page number 217 and 218. So your chapter is done. Okay. So हमारा term 1 का syllabus क्या है? Weather and climate, that is done. हो गया हमारा. Then second is natural vegetation and wildlife, that is also done. And third is equality in Indian democracy, that is also done. तो हमारा टर्म का कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया है. नाउ वी विल बी रिवाइजिंग एंड डिस्कसिंग द सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एंड एक्टिविटी चैप्टर्स. ओके. टिल दैट टाइम टेक केयर एंड हैव अ गुड डे.